Good morning, everyone. This is meteorologist Christopher Rayner here with the National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi. Here today to bring your local weather briefing for Arcland Mist region for January 2nd, 2023. Alright, so Happy New Year to everyone, first off. We do have multiple rounds of severe and flooding potential. Severe potential is later this afternoon into the overnight, mainly west and northwest, followed by round 2 across most of the area on Tuesday. Flash flooding is likely mainly northwest late tonight, then some localized flooding potential on Tuesday as the system redevelops and moves across the region. With this system comes increasing gradient wind, which could bring gusts up to 40 miles per hour by tonight. And the rate, as the system moves out of the area, the remaining part of the week will be much quieter. Alright, to start off, we do have some severe storms possible early this afternoon. With most parts of the area will be under a slight risk, with the slight part in the northwestern part of our region and the enhanced risk sometime around 3 p.m. As the system redevelops, moves across the area and starts to develop, questions are starting to arise as how fast this system will move and how strong this system could be as we head into Tuesday. By Tuesday, most of the area will be under a slight risk. However, portion of the I-59 corridor will be under an enhanced risk, and some severe storm redevelopment is expected on Tuesday. Alright, so with this system, we do have an increased potential for flash flooding across the northwest delta. 2 to 4 inches of rainfall can be expected with higher amounts possible. As the system is forecasted to redevelop, we could see some higher rainfall amounts across the I-59 corridor and across the Pine Bowl region, towards Laurel, Hattiesburg, and McGee, around 2 to 4 inches of rainfall. Same with the rainfall total, 2 to 4 inches can be expected with higher amounts possible. Redevelopment in southeast Mississippi Tuesday could bring higher rainfall totals around 2 to 3 inches, with some areas getting around up to 4 inches. Alright, so we do have flash flood watches in effect across the region. These flood watches are expected to go through the time listed above the graphic from 12 a.m. on Tuesday, January 3rd to 12 p.m. on Tuesday, January 3rd. Alright, with the system, increasing gradient winds could bring gusts up to 40 miles per hour across most of the region as the system begins to move into the area. Alright, taking a look at our weekly forecast, rain chances are expected later this afternoon and into Tuesday. Beginning on Wednesday, quieter conditions will come around for the next couple of days with highs in the upper 50s to lower 60s. Alright, so in the summer, I hope everyone is having a happy new year. Primary concerns can be multiple rounds of severe weather and along with flooding event. Severe potential later this afternoon, heading into the overnight hours, mainly for west and northwest, followed by a second round across most of the area beginning on Tuesday. Flash flooding is also likely, mainly northwest of the area late tonight, with some localized flooding potential beginning on Tuesday as the system begins to redevelop and move across the area. Increasing gradient winds with the system could bring gusts up to 40 miles per hour by tonight, and the remaining part of the week will be much quieter. Alright, I'd like to thank you all for viewing today's multimedia weather briefing. If you have any questions or comments or feedback, you can contact us at the number listed down below, or contact us at any of our social medias under NWS Jackson, Mississippi.